I've brought the gas stove out, and what we're cooking today is creamy chicken. Now, the recipe I saw used chicken breasts, but I'm using chicken skinless, boneless thighs. So what you basically do to start with is to cut the chicken up into slices. Now, if you're using chicken breasts and you get small ones, you can use one breast per person. But if you get one of those real big chicken breasts, you can actually use one to make two portions. Now, those two thighs there will be great for two portions. So I'll just put that back in the fridge. Okay, so now some oil in the pan, and you add your chicken and turn it up a bit, and you just want to cook these on both sides. You can either cook them completely or medium rare. Don't have to worry if they're medium rare, because they will be cooked fully by the time the recipe's finished. Now, make sure you've had raw chicken on the board, so you go wash this before you do anything else. Now, just cook those now for a few minutes or so, however you want. Like I said, you have them either medium rare, or you can cook them fully. But by the time we finish, it's not going to matter. They'll be fully cooked. Okay, these are the vegetables I'm putting in this today. I've got spring onion, red capsicum, red chilli, and snow peas from the community garden at home. You can put whatever you like. This is just a suggestion of what you could use, and it's what I'm using tonight. I'm just going to cut the snow peas into thirds so that they're a similar size to the other vegetables, and then I'll put them in the pan. Right, you just want to cook the vegetables on a medium heat. You can cook them as much or as little as you like, however you like your vegetables. Right, now you put it on a slightly higher heat and a splash of chicken stock. You can either use water or nothing, or just go straight to the cream. For soon it's a chicken dish, adding a bit more chicken flavour is a good thing, I reckon. And anyway, you just let that reduce now. Use thickened cream. There's 300ml bottle here. I think it's called heavy cream in America, but it's 32 to 35% butterfat. This is 35%. So you add that and you pour the cream in, and this will make the sauce. And surprisingly enough, it is no richer than using a normal cream sauce which uses butter and milk. Now you stir that around. We can turn the heat up a little bit more. and then we just leave that to reduce. Just watch it to start with though. Right, you want it to boil like that, and that's why you need the controlled heat. This is up as high as it can go, so that's okay, but if you were at home or on a roaring fire, it could bubble up and over and spill out of the pan, and that's what you don't want. It's a lot easier doing it on the gas, that's why I did it this way. Now you just let that reduce until you get to the consistency you want. I'll let that go a little bit further. Right, well that's looking good for me. Now, you chop it into pieces like this. If it's fully cooked, you can just put it in and leave it for 30 seconds to warm up. Or if it's only medium rare, leave it in for a couple of minutes to make sure it's cooked right through. Some of these are a bit of each, so I'm just going to put it in now. And the last ingredient you want to put in is, if you like creme fraiche, you can put a big dollop of that in now, but if you use sour cream, you'll have to wait until you turn it off and there's no heat on the pan, otherwise the sour cream could split. Right, well there you go. I've finished it off with fennel seeds. You can use the traditional thing to finish it off with is fresh tarragon, but of course I can't get that at home, and or you could use basil as well. Now you can see I've got some pasta there, so I'll spoon it over the pasta. It's thickened up a bit since I took it off the heat, but that's okay. It all goes down the same way, and there's enough there for another portion for tomorrow night's tea. So that's what, there you have it. It's creamy chicken, and I've done it on pasta. Like I said, you can do it on rice. Not too wet mashed potato as a base, or thick sliced toast. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.